American Family Insurance. I forgot about that. All right. Let's see what we got here. Let's see here. Why is that breaking so much? My chat window keeps breaking every now and then. Gotcha. Gotcha. Oh, all right. Let's see here. Get situated. Situated. This is hard to fucking navigate. I don't know where the fuck. There we go. Need to be fine right there. So we're just playing around, making some terrain, making some levels, some level design. Not doing that great, but learning some tools. Trying to figure this out. There we go. There she blows, though. There she blows. Damn, Moncho Man with the 8-monthos. God damn. Damn, you better catch that Pokemon. Let's see. Get rid of that. Let's see. I need to move this still. Let's see. The game. Let's see. Trying to learn how to make a path real quick. I wonder if I make. I'm hardly jorking right now. Let's see. So I think I need. I don't know what I need. I think an empty. Holy cow. Sneeze. There's something in my ass. Is that what was tickling me? Damn. You get me I drank. I drank. Cause I'm an asshole. Oleo. All right, we need that real quick. Shout out my main man, the Bat. This is just for you. All my lovers out there. Way down. Way down at the bottom. Midnight slob. Wood floor. And a Cuban cigar. All right, let's see here. Interested? Oh no way. Oh, no. Going insane. I'm an asshole. How about this heat? That's so. While handicapped people make handicapped faces. All right. All right. All right. I'll waypoints now. Quarter pound of cheeseburgers. Okay. Beautiful. You know, you really are an asshole. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's a good way to start. Yeah. Because I'm
Beginning
an
your weight loss journey in
asshole.
2025 has never been easier. I'm going to show you how I set up a 6-month plan in less than
20 minutes. In just 20 minutes, you too can hate your life more than I do. Oh, shit. Oh, we're making an array. Oh, wrong button. Of waypoints. All right. Save changes. Oh, so if I add this to that. What the fuck? The script class cannot be found. Path does not contain a definition for combine. Oh, fuck. I don't know what that means. Sucks to suck, nerd. I just got to figure out what that means. No, there's properties over there. Why is it way down here? Like, what the fuck? Path does not contain a definition. Fool's ball. What an idiot, dude. Imagine being active and shit. I don't want to use path.combine, dude. Mm. Let me try this. Let's try this. Name object array waypoints. Save. Go to path. Add the script. There we go. Waypoints. If I how do I can I just click and drag them though? What I got? 9, 1, 2, 3. All right, so we'll add all of our waypoints to the script. And then what else? What next? I guess I could have done that. Yes, 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 yes. Of course, of course, of course. Thug one's already gone, dude. A whole can of corn? Wait, what? On draw gizmos. So if waypoints dot length greater than 0. Oops. All right, let's see here. Let's see if I'm doing this right. So for an integer I starting at 0, as long as I is less than waypoints dot length, we want to increase the number. I want to add. Gizmos dot, oops, nope. Gizmos. Why is it fucking doing that? Don't do that. Gizmos dot, I'm gonna fucking freak out. Equals color dot gray. Why are we doing gray? I forgot. So we're trying to draw a line between all the waypoints. And we're just setting it to gray just because we want to, okay? Dude, why is it automatically doing that, dude? Draw line. You like that path, bro? Alright, so we are cycling through our waypoints and then adding 1 each time we get to a new waypoint with our line. So we want to only dry so we only want to draw if the array of the waypoint so total length minus 1. This keeps us from This keeps us from airing out when we get to the end of the path. Or the end of our waypoints, I mean. All right. Oh, shit. Okay. All right, let's see if this works. We'll save. Oh, shit. There's our path. Oh, it even did it. Oh my god, it did it right. Fuck yeah, dude. Alright, well, there's our path. Fuck yeah, bud. Alright. You know what that deserves? That deserves a horn, dude. I can follow a tutorial video. Hell yeah, dude. Alright. Yeah, we don't want it in the game view. Oh shit, okay. Yeah, whatever, I guess. I honked it? What? Oh, I don't have... It's just so fucking finicky. Because I need that open, right? There we go. I fingered it out. Yes, what are we doing?
My favorite flavor of popsicle is dick.
Yeah, yeah. All right, let's. What are we doing? Oh, zero. Okay. I don't know if I care to do that. All right. It's enemy time. All right, let's we don't have any enemies yet, so let's just use a capsule, I guess. R uh, all right, that's gonna represent our enemy. Enemy, got a lot of enemies. Let's make a new script. Just kidding. And create a folder. Move speed. Okay. The type or namespace named serialized field could not be found. What? Oh, I mistyped it. That's why. Three move speed. Okay, right there. Boom. So vector 3. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. Target position. Move vector 3. Uh, All right, we're giving it a new position. I probably need to move that somewhere else. So in order to make it move, you tell it to move towards where it is, where it needs to go, and how fast it needs to get there. Gotcha. Oh shit. Okay, so we save. Where is it currently? So it's at 601.9. And if we press play, the enemy should move to 400. Oh shit, look at it go. It's not going very fast, but it is moving. Success. Probably have to do like what, 30? Let's times 10 that. All right, let's move a little bit faster. And it's gone. I need to figure out how to Make the camera movable. Nah, but that works though. Three units per second. All right. All right, so we need to make a method that turns the current location of each waypoint into a coordinate system that we can call in the enemy script. That transform. Oh, oops. Current path equals game object. What's it called? Path level 1. So 1, then get component. Wait, what? So why do we call that? So we need to find the path component. Which is, yep. Oh, okay. So you're getting the component of the script, which is level paths. Oh, that sucks. All right. So current path dot get position. Oh yeah, okay. So I'm gonna tell it to walk to position 4 or waypoint 4. And what? The type or namespace same path. What the fuck is happening in my game right now? Why does mine break, but his is not? It's that. Why does that break? Oh fuck, dude. Well, I'm definitely missing something. I just don't know what. I wonder if Unity. I have Unity. I should have everything. It's C sharp. Fuck it. It's only love. Why can't I figure this out? I just uninstall that shit. Fuck it, dude. Okay, I guess I can't. Never mind. Denied. Doesn't like have anything. Save. Nope. Still. It's only left. Oh my god. Eat a fucking dick, dude. Why is this broken? Not operational while calling. No .NET SDKs were found. I mean, it says I have that. Well, that's not it. Oh man, I gotta love it. Give me the download, dude. Dude, where the fuck? Oh, my download will start shortly. Gotcha. It's not, though. So. Oh, that's probably why. That's probably why. I mean, there's nothing that I can choose. Dude, I'm really fucking this up right now. There's something wrong with my install. Nothing. Okay. No STKs. Okay. All right. So I don't have any STKs installed. So how the fuck do I install? All right, we might be making progress. Let's see. Let's finger it out. Turn off my living room light. Give you one of those for free. All right, let's close that. Now let's try this again. No errors. So far, so good. Let's make a change. Motherfucker. Everything sucks. Dude, everything's broken, bro. I don't think so. Making good progress. I'm stuck on the same issue. I don't know what's happening. So in the tutorial, I'm supposed to create this path variable, but I can't because it's saying path doesn't exist in the language. I don't know. I'm typing exactly what this dude has. His works just fine. Internet, save me. How to fix. Install it. Fuck it. I don't care. I'm using AI, dude. I'm asking the chat. Need to set up GitHub Copilot. Gay? Google, save me. Yeah, I know it can't. How do I do it? Well, why do I have to do that and this guy doesn't? Cannot declare a variable a static type path. Why does the guy on the internet get to do it then, dude? Dude, what the fuck? Cannot implicitly convert type level path to system.io.path. Fuck you. I don't know what any of that means. Dude, what the fuck? Do I have to like take 18 steps back? Okay. Looks right. All right, how do I uninstall everything? C# dev kit right there installed. Okay. Do I need to not install C#? Test open a VS Code should display a Unity icon in the bottom status bar. I don't see one. Verify. Let's do new text. Nothing. So that's not working. Oh, from Unity. The Unity icon in the bottom provide autos. So transform dot position. There's no autocomplete. Oh, that's capital is why. No, you fucking idiot. Why is it automatically doing shit I don't want it to do? No. Quit auto-completing, fucking faggot. Unless I tell it to. Where is settings? Jesus Christ, everything is breaking. I open anything in it. Auto-complete. Well, if this isn't the most fucking frustrating thing that's ever happened, Run and debug Unity. All compiler. Well, I can't fix it. I don't know what the fuck the problem is. Oh my god. Already done that. That's all you gotta do, huh? That's it. That's it, and it works. Well, not for me. Boom, deleted. Just like that, no more errors. So why the fuck? All right, let's try this again. All right, we need to make the move speed. And we need to make the other serialize field, meaning we can edit it. Path. Current path. Private vector 3 There's just so much going on whenever I try and type. Like, I don't need all this fucking business, dude. Current path equals game object. Find path level 1 dot get component, which will be the name of the component on the path, which is level paths. And then is that it? Component level paths. Why does it make me use? I don't get it. Why do I have to use things that they are not using? Void update. Oh damn, that's exactly what we need. Holy shit. It's like it remembers. Except none of this works. Path does not contain a definition for get position, and no accessible extension method accepting a first argument of type path could be found. Why the fuck does the guy on the internet get to do it and I don't? I guess I just don't know how to fix it. Like, if I can't make a static variable of path, what else should it be? Yeah, what the fuck, dude? He lets you install, not install, but he lets you download his source code, and it's all right. Fucking there, man. No, no, I'm having an issue being able to declare a static variable to the class path, and I can't figure out why. I'm just trying to follow a guide, and the guy on the internet can do it, but I can't, and I don't know why. A little bit frustrating. I mean, it could be. The guide's only 8 months old though, so it's not like incredibly out of date. It's from August of last year. So I'm not really sure what's going on. Let's see. Let's see. The error occurs because path conflicts with system.io path. Looking at your code, you're assigning a levels path component to a variable typed as path. Oh, I'm an idiot. That's why. I tried using this chat earlier and it just wasn't, it kept erroring out, saying won't let me use it. But Fuzzy Wuzzy, you're my hero. You're the reason I can use AI. Okay. How do I say yes to changes? Keep? There we go. I give you permission. You are the reason that I can continue, I think. I forget he's using Pat. I don't know why it works in his. Let me just put it that way. I have to have extra. I just have to have all this extra stuff. And he does. It makes it a little bit hard to follow and understand. All right, so now that that works, my object should go to waypoint 4. Oh, I need to change the speed. Oh, it's going straight there. Look at it go, though. Yeah, well, it's moving. So now I need to... Let's try it again. Boom, just like that. Oh yeah. All right, so let's see. All right, so now, oops. So when target reached, set new target permission. Easy. Want to declare a float. Relative distance equals trans. I only want the distance. Oops, I missed something. Gotcha. Be positive or negative. PP muncher, you're black. Excuse me, sir. I think that was a mistype. I think you meant to say that you're back. No, don't save and play. I need to finish typing. Good sir. All right. So if the relative distance is less than 0.1, we increase the waypoint and then set the target position, or yeah, we set the target position for the next waypoint, basically, right? I'm understanding that correctly. Ebony and a midget, don't forget that. You're definitely a midget below the belt. Oh, damn,
My favorite
dude.
flavor of popsicle is dick.
Facts. All right, we save and play to see if it works. Let's see if we can get our enemy to move. All right, Halloween Snickers. Oh, shit. Oh. We're fucking doing it. I should probably need to change my camera. Nick or treat. Yeah, let's see here. Let's go back. Success. I'm not saying that 12 times. Oh, we're not rendered. I need to figure that out. We're not rendered. Am I winning? You're just in time. Oh my god. All right, I need to figure that out. What do I do here? Let's go in and then rotate up. There we go. Let's bring this down here so I can see what's going on. Let's move it up. Oops. All right, I need the rendering. What am I doing wrong here? Fill the view, maybe? Nope. Nope, nope, nope. 1500. There it is. There it is. Let's do 2000. All right. And it should give us what we need. Let's go up in rotate, increase our field of view. Oh shit! Caught that Pokemon. Congratulations. All right, now we should be able to see our enemy move. Oh shit, it's on the big screen. There it is. How long have I been using Unity? About 3 days. We are at the beginning. Oh, drop them corn dogs. She tower defense, yeah. Yes, sir. You probably have the enemy go faster. Probably 150. That's pretty quick. There you go. Easy peasy. Oh my god, we made progress today. Amazing. Yeah, it's definitely going to start. I have a pretty good understanding of what my end project I want to look like. Tower defense with some sort of like hero aspect to it, but that is way down the line. We're gonna start slow. Index was outside the bounds of the array. Okay, this was not supposed to error out. When we get to the end. No, this is the first one. This is the very beginning. Waypoints I. Zero. Okay, so we'll start at 0. I might have to debug that later. What about yourself? Appreciate you stopping by. Yeah, Are you a programmer yourself? or a developer at all? Doing what so many people wish they started. Yeah, I mean, generally, I just be spamming video games, but I got kind of bored, so I decided to try this. Um, Probably gonna leave the video game into the weekends. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 3D artist, nice. I started Blender a while ago. So I'll probably be like designing my towers inside Blender. To get more practice there. I'm not artistic at all. So it's going to be kind of a hill to climb to design not only the towers, but probably the enemies. I'm going to still trying to figure out how I want to do that. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Let's fix the error. All right. So this is where we're going to fix the error. All right. Current waypoint less than length -1. Oops. And then we put all this inside there. Yeah, I mean, I have a pretty good like idea of what I want. So it's just a matter of some repetitions, iterations until we get what we want. What are game jams? What's a game jam? Oh, gadzooks. What the fuck? Hosting and participating in game jams online. Anyone can instantly create and host a jam. This is where you like quickly build a game. In like an afternoon or something in a day. That's pretty dope. Oh, based on whatever theme, I guess. A week or two. Oh, yeah, duh. Learn how to read a calendar, guy. Okay, yeah. Interesting. Are you like for this SNES one? Is it you're like you against 11 people, or do all of you collaborate to build one? It's actually pretty cool. You against 11, gotcha. Just for kicks jams, 3-button jam. Talk down. That's actually pretty cool. I'm gonna have to refine some skills. I mean, once I feel confident enough, I'll join one. When I'm not copying line for line. That's pretty dope. What was your favorite one? I mean, just answer both, I guess. Yeah, I'm curious on both. All right. So what we just did is we should have set it so it doesn't error. Oh, and it disappears. Oh shoot. Hell yeah. So it disappears, or at some point it'll cause damage when we get to that point. That's dope. All right. Now we're going to learn how to spawn enemies in waves. Mm, the last stand. Where can I, is that anywhere I can look it up? Nothing directly on this page. Oh, right there, browse games. I think your looks like your link probably got. I think your link got blocked. Oh, right there. $48K, huh? Make boy kissing simulator. That's our next project. Protect the last weapon stand, huh? Nice, nice. Easy dead, dude. Look at me just murking these aliens, dude. Dibs on Jimin. Yeah. Wang Gang, you're gonna be the first model that I make in Boy Kissing Simulator. So I'm gonna need you to get over here so we can take some reference photos. Oh shit, dude. Wanna push the button? Can I push the button? Nope. Push the button. This is pretty dope. This is pretty good though. How long did this take you? You and your team? Is there fall off? Oh nope, I killed that. Oh yeah. Weeks. 30% of all income. I'm just not going to reference you in the credits. You can't sue me. Oh shit. Oh shit balls. Get him. Booyah! No, but I can touch you. Doubt. Doubt. That's not bad. That's not bad. All right. Let's see if we can do this. Before we get off for the night. Drive to me right now. Do it, pussy. I bet you're too tired from playing foosball. You ain't gonna do it. There's that. Open that. You just kick back on your bed right now? How does it know what I'm gonna type, dude? Is it reading off the internet right now? That's crazy. All right, so oops, that's the wrong thing. So if spawn, I just got home. You're still doing indoor soccer? Or are you playing outside yet? What's happening right now? Dude, all of that auto complete is kind of fucking my eyes up. Spawn enemy. Did I spell that right? What the fuck is happening right now? There we go. Add an extra one. No, I mean, like, are you ever gonna do outdoor at night? Just put that back there. And then we make this method spawn enemy. Oh my lord. Oh no, 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 no. Why are you doing this? Oh, I was spelling it wrong. All right, then we make it. Right? We have to make the variable game object prefab. All right, say that again. Okay, we use the spawn class. Okay, you want to set the transform position of the spawn object to this transform position of the spawner. Okay, that makes sense. Can't do outdoors. You need to see the ball. Oh, come on, man. Yeah, I guess soccer fields don't have lights. I was thinking more like softball fields. But not add me to the game and I shoot mott sticks out my PP, but my PP is blurred. I mean, yeah. I mean, it's not a terrible idea. All right, we might have to. make make the lore like the cat in Rick and Morty. All right, so what am I doing here? So spawner. So I need to make my enemy a prefab. Delete my enemy and then add my enemy there. I don't know where I placed the spawner. We're about to find out. It's over there somewhere. Oh my god, look at us spawning enemies, dude. Look at it go. That's right. Mm, I hope that doesn't break anything. I don't think it should. I didn't rename it. I just moved it. Object pooler. Currently burning my butthole with my bidet. Oh my god. The fact that you make me read that is crazy. Oops. Dude, how does it know? Oh shit. 7-month Twitch Prime. Ballin', this guy giving me that prime love.
Good God, you don't know me, brother. Me wanna carry good race and peace right now. Look, big up me, brother. The bad man wanna eat some food that you got there. God, give me a carry gun when they feeling irate. Give me a carry gun when they feeling irate. Me wanna eat a little carry good race and peace.
There you go. It's your personal celebration for the prime. Oops. Full size 10. You got it, mister. Private. Goated with the sauce. List. Name. Oops. 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 What's happening? There we go. What are we doing? Create the pool. So pool equals for an integer that is I equal to 0. So we set the variable, and then as long as the variable is less than the pool size, we increment said integer by creating a new object or a new enemy. Easy. The Draco's ult, dude? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we gotta create the would this be a method or a class? Uh, okay. We set it to false. Make the method return it. And then it gives it up here, right? Uh, whoa, 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 whoa. Object pooler dot create new object. Not all code paths return a value. All right, it is something wrong. So I should be getting game object prefab and pool size, but I'm not. So why? Private list game object pool. Would start. We want to create the pool. So pool equals new list game object. Or loop. So as long as this is less than pool size, we create a new object. By creating a new object. Oh, I didn't do this. I didn't return anything. Yeah, there we go. That makes sense. All right. There it is. Okay. Ugh. Yeah. We attach it there. Okay, so 5. Transform. Alright, well, something's broke again. What did I break? Type spawner already defines member called spawn enemy with the same parameter types. What did I miss then? But then it doesn't use them. Okay. Yeah, I'm not quite sure what's happening then. I did it all. Oops. Alright, that's spawner. Okay, so spawner is broken. Already defines a member called spawn enemy with the same parameters. I'm confused why. I'm not sure why it's breaking. The spawner already defines a member called spawn enemy. I mean, commenting this out is supposed to just stop spawning altogether, right? It's not letting me run. Do I just turn it off? No, it's compiling wrong. I mean, it can't be because I'm using my enemy prefab. That's what they're supposed to be, right? Or is it because... Oh, I have two spawner scripts. What the fuck? That's why. That's why. What the fuck? Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, wait, what? We're spawning. They're not supposed to spawn. What did I mess up? That's why. All right, so let's close that. Let's open this and do this. Now I should see them being parented or child. Nope, it's still not working. Fuck. Okay, well, mine's not doing that, Mr. Internet person. So why is it not doing that? Because no, it should be enemy pool. Transform. So I need to instantiate the prefab. Boom. Okay. Now we want to parent them into the enemy pool, and he says to do that, you put that there so that it puts it into the transform, or just calls a transform of the object. Actually, I guess I don't quite understand why it's doing that. Is it? Oh, there it goes. Oh, fuck. Okay. Okay, now it works. I want you to play my summer car so bad. What does that even mean? Is that a song? This is what I know. This is what you want to hear, actually. This song. It's a game. I don't know if I should pull up Steam. I might get banned. My summer car is the outlier of video games. Permadeath life survival? What the fuck? Yeah. Is this like ultimate GTA? What GTA wanted to be? Is it multiplayer? How does this compare to that I don't see a it says single player right there. How does this compare to that like Dream Horizon game you were playing? Or Drive Horizon? The sounds of life outside. Oh, my back. I need to sit up like a normal person. All right, what next? Oops. Oh, shit. And you got a sparkling egg. Fuck yeah, bud. Nice. Sounds of life outside. Oops. All right, let's see here. We don't need this. He says. We need to make another field. Private. Object pooler. Pool. Comment out that shiz. All right. So we spawn from the enemy pool. Okay, so now we want to. Now we're trying to pull from the pool of objects. We set it to active. All right, so now we need to move over here. Now we need to move the spawner to the front. If we go to the game, assuming nothing's broke, but everything is broke. Well, object pooler's that class. So why can't... Okay, so why can't you see this? Especially when you're supposed to be pulling from... I swear, man, I follow them step by step, and then it breaks regardless. Okay, so we created this field so that I'm able to add the enemy pool object to the spawner. Or did I do that wrong? No, it looks right. So that way, instead of spawning based on... Well, I mean, that means it uses this logic. And when we want to spawn an enemy, we say spawn the object is equal to this. Did we mess up? Do we have to... Tarantula. The tarantula. I'll get some. Has something to do with this. Why is there an issue? No, the scripts are in the same folder. I'll totally get some. Uses the enemy. Alright, that's fine. Spawner uses enemy pool, which is using the object pooler. I'm not seeing where the issue is. No, it's in spawner. Tarantula. Tarantula. Alright, what did I do wrong? It was working. Oh, I'm an idiot. That's why. Right there. There we go. Easy. Tarantula. All right. Now it should work. There it is. Oh my god. Success. So it should be. Now it's just spawning new enemies. Well, not reused assets. Wait, what the fuck? The new assets don't follow the path, though. What the fuck? Wait, wait a minute. All right. All right, we're gonna call it for the night. We made some good progress. We actually got a path, some enemies following the path. We're halfway there. Not. My brief little level design that I did late last night was pretty interesting. I don't think this is like the final iteration, but it gives us something to work with. But tomorrow, same time, 7 p.m. Mountain. Thank you, Fuzzy Wuzzy, for joining. We'll probably continue Pragmata tomorrow. Oh, thank you very much, good sir. Still got a little bit of ways to go, but I'm hoping in like, I don't know, like 2 years or something. Maybe a year to 2 years. We have a nice little game to put out into the world. We'll see. I got a lot of roadblocks ahead, I'm sure of it. But yeah, tomorrow, 7 p.m. Mountain, we'll continue with Pragmata. Oh, I mean, I'm definitely We'll figure something out. Triple S hero. I don't know if we're gonna have any like card pools. We'll see. I have some pretty ambitious plans. So we're getting the tower defense part done. We're definitely going to make sure that that's like pristine, and then we'll evolve it. The second half of what I want to do is going to be super fucking hard. And I don't know if I'm prepared for it, but we'll see. Thank you much for joining, and yeah, take care. Enjoy the night. Hopefully see you again tomorrow.